HMD Global is relaunching its most popular Nokia 105 4G 2024 second edition. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Nokia 105 2024 4G revised design and an integrated LED flashlight for the second edition. The phone offers two major changes. First and foremost, HMD Global has replaced the micro USB port with a more modern USB-C port. In addition, the back has been updated and aside from a revised finish. Now features HMD makers of Nokia phones lettering. The display has shrunk from 2.4 inches to 1.8 inches compared to the 2024 models. The phone has an LED flashlight on the top, which is a feature that the Nokia 105 4G 2024 lacks. The phone is IP54 certified and thus water resistant. The 1450 mAh battery is a replaceable and HMD Global advertises a standby time of 12 days and a talk time of 8 hours. The phone only has 48 MB of internal storage, but this can be expanded by up to 32 GB via a micro SD card in order to store music for the MP3 player app, which can be played on headphones either via a 3.5 mm headphone connection or via Bluetooth. That's all for now and thanks for watching.